I am gonna flip out. Yes! Oh, of course you didn't go off.
The National Weather Service in Cleveland has issued a
That's
severe
570.
thunderstorm warning for southeastern Portage County in northeastern Ohio, Mahoning County in northeastern Ohio, until 4:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 3:33 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Reliance, or 10 miles northeast of Canton, moving east.
Oh, yeah, we're getting double header! Double header! Double header!
60 miles per hour in
Yeah, double shit!
Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor damage to vehicles is possible. Expect damage to trees and power lines.
Until 4:30 p.m.
Locations impacted include Youngstown, Salem, Boardman, Campbell, Kentfield, Sebring, Austintown, Struthers, Girard, Poland, Ellsworth, New Middletown, Lowellville, Beloit, Deerfield, North Jackson, Orland Center, Maple Ridge, Greenford, and Mineral Ridge.
Radar indicated.
For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Repeating, severe
Dallas, I'm
thunderstorm
catching
warning has
it.
been issued until 4:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Ohio, Mahoning, and Portage. Service in Pittsburgh has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northern Mercer County in northwestern Pennsylvania until 4:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 3:34 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 11 miles northwest of Sharon, moving east at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees.
OH, beginning at 3:34
emergency!
5:34 p.m. There is a large gas leak on Oregon Avenue in Sebring.
Sandy Lake,
The fire department is on scene with a gas provider correcting the situation. Please evacuate the area between East Ohio Avenue and East Pennsylvania Avenue between 12th Street and 15th Street for 2
The
hours.
storm is capable of producing damaging winds.
We're gonna get triple header! Triple header!
Thunderstorm warning has been issued until 4:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties:
we were
Mercer, Pennsylvania.
Yep!
Can you take us to a Palestinian village from 1948?
Oh my god!
The urgent weather message.
What?
A severe
Fuck
thunderstorm
you,
warning remains in effect
lame
until
ass.
4 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for eastern Trumbull County.
The local
At
area
3:35
emergency
p.m.
was
Eastern
so
Daylight Time, a
random.
severe thunderstorm was located near Cortland, or 10 miles northwest of Sharpsville, moving east at 50 miles per hour.
Why is there a local area
Hazard,
emergency?
60 miles per hour.
I have zero idea, actually.
Source, radar
What, did
indicated.
it say what it was for, or did it just say whatever?
Expects damage
They just said
to
whatever.
power lines. Locations impacted include Warren, Niles, Cortland, Lord.
Well, now it's getting good reception. I think it was just having shady reception before. It did go off for one of the SVRs earlier.
Yankee Lake, Howland Center, Champion Heights, Molendale, and
Hello?
Brookfield Center. For your protection,
Did we
move
forget about Columbia? Oh wait, they're going after.
torrential rainfall.
They're
is
going off
occurring
after
with the
this.
storm and may lead to flash flooding.
Whoa.
Do not drive your vehicle through
Flash
flooded
blood
roadways.
shitter moment.
Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect until 4 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following
Wait until
counties:
you get a literal
Ohio,
area emergency.
What the fuck?
Urgent weather message. The National Weather Service in Pittsburgh has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northern Columbiana County and east central Ohio until 4:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 3:36 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 15 miles west of Salem, moving east at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Salem, Columbiana,
Until 4:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time.
Guilford Lake State Park, New Garden, North Georgetown, and homeward. Seek shelter inside a well-built structure and stay away from windows. The storm is capable of producing damage to winds. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 4:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following county: Columbiana, Ohio.
Locations impacted include Salem, Columbiana, Latonia, New Waterford, Winona, Guilford Lake State Park,
Urgent weather message.
North
A
Georgetown.
severe thunderstorm warning remains.
Seek shelter inside a well-built structure and stay away from windows. The storm is capable of producing damaging winds. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 4:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following county: Columbiana, Ohio.
The fuck?
And that's enough.
What the fuck?
Yeah, what was that random local area emergency? Oh my god!
What?
Nothing! The random LAE! I'm in a shock!
Put it over IM-bot. Give me a
Okay!
No, they did not.